So we've been in the trailer for
6 years?
So we've been in the trailer 6.
Yes. Why do we go over this every time?
I don't know. All right, you started then.
Okay, so we've been in the trailer for 6 years, and now we're going back to show you what we've done and if we've liked it or not.
Stay tuned. Okay, so like Teresa said, we've been in the trailer for a while now, and we've done a bunch of modifications to this trailer, and you could go back through our videos and see those modifications. But what I thought we'd do, because we've made some changes, what I thought we'd do is go through the trailer real quick and show you the mods that we did and if we liked it.
Yeah.
And I guess if you see it, it means that we liked it. But you'll see that we did do some changes. So let's start with the first thing, and that's what's on the walls.
The wallpaper. Okay, so we added the little, I don't know, what do you call this?
I think it's shiplap, ship
Yeah.
wrap.
Obviously,
shiplap.
we like it because it's still here.
And we like it so much that
What?
we just added it to. Uh-oh. We just did the bedroom. And so we did the overhead middles. We covered up the mirrors that used to be on the closets, and we did the headboard area. And I will tell you that the bonus of that is that it has made it so much brighter back here. It used to be really dark.
Yes, it was
Back
very
here,
dark.
even with the light on, it was dark. So, yeah, we covered up these mirrors because we never use them.
Well, and also for something just different.
Yeah,
So we'll see. We just put them on, so we'll give it a couple trips and see if it's what we really want, and we'll let you know.
okay, item number 2,
The table.
the table from IKEA. This came with the wraparound dinette, like most RVs come with. Never really liked it. It was, number one, it was uncomfortable.
He never liked it. I loved it. That's why I picked the trailer.
No, you didn't. You picked it for the window.
No, I picked it for the. I said that it had to have.
Okay, so here's the bottom line. The bottom line is, when we had the old dinette, you were lucky if you could sit 3 people comfortably at the dinette.
Right.
Okay, we never camp that way. We always have our group, and we like to play games, and so we needed a place that we could seat 6 comfortably.
Here you go.
And that seats 6 comfortably. It does extend, although we've only extended it once, I think.
Have we? I didn't even.
Yeah, I think it was once.
Oh, okay.
And that's fine.
Yeah. But
We
if it's
extended it
6
once.
of us, perfect. We just bring it out, and it's great.
Yep, it does. It absolutely fits us perfectly. And when it's just the 2 of us, we keep it tucked into the corner there. And typically we'll sit on the ends here. It's nice because you could still sit and watch TV, which is right behind Teresa there. And so that's not a modification, that came stock. We did add a TV to the bedroom.
Yes, we did.
So I guess that's one thing. But the IKEA table, yes, love it. And I would not go back to another
No.
booth-style dinette. Speaking of seating, item number 3 is...
We've added 2. We took out the couch, the little love seat, and,
which used to be here.
and bought the 2 rocker recliners, because the 2 dark brown ones are just rockers, and we wanted recliners.
The 2 brown chairs right here. Let me turn that light on. The brown chair right here and the brown chair right there, they came with the trailer, and they were sitting here in the back window. We added these gray chairs right here and right here, and the reason that we've got them offset like that is so that we can get the slide in without moving any furniture around.
Right, because they are a lot heavier than the old ones.
Heavier and bigger. They're wider. We were restricted by what could fit up against that window. The brown chairs fit perfectly. The new chairs don't. Would we do that again?
Yes. Well, I think we would just get lighter chairs, though.
Yeah, I think lighter and
maybe a leather.
I don't know. I like the chairs, but if we were going to replace them, I would replace them.
Right. Yes.
With something like them. Yeah. Like this chair, I need to do some repairs on the back of that one already. So the good news is
it's fixable.
It's fixable, and we didn't pay a lot for them. They were on like super sale. We got to get rid of these chairs, and we happened to be at the right place at the right time, and we picked them up super cheap.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's item number 3 and kind of item number 4. Item number 4 being that we took out the sofa bed that used to be right there. It's not there anymore. We don't want it back. Okay, item number 5 is in the pantry, and I was always looking for an opportunity to make our pantry usable. So we went to IKEA, we bought this little shelf system, and Teresa didn't like it from the word go. But we used it because it did what it was supposed to do. It just didn't do it very well.
Right.
So we recently upgraded that to this right here. And so this system here, what I ended up doing is getting this 3-drawer set at the Walmart. And then we had the old one was sitting on the bottom, and it came up to about here. This one actually fit better in the middle, and it still allowed us to put bulk heavier items down here. And I got to keep that top shelf, even though it's not on the bracket, it's sitting on here. And I screwed this into here, so this will not shift during travel at all. So we can still keep our taller bottles and whatnot up there, but it's a lot more organized, and it freed up a lot of space. So we have the spices and whatnot in the top one, coffee and things that we get to frequently in the middle, and then cans and whatnot down here. So that is item number 5, was a redo of the pantry because it really did need to be replaced. And I agree, after Teresa didn't like it, I started not liking it too. So that's 5 things in our rig that we modified. Oh, we never talked about the curtains.
That's okay.
That's a bonus item. Curtains. We took down the boxy valances and replaced them with the beautiful curtains that you all see in the videos. Would we put boxy valances back up?
No.
Not on your life. I would never put those boxy valances back up.
No.
I love the curtains. And the beauty is, if we get tired of this pattern, we can always get new curtains.
Yeah.
But let's go under this light so that we actually look. There we go.
Okay, there we
the
are.
people can see us. All right, so that's 5 plus 1 bonus item that we modified and we've remodified, but they're keepers in our trailer. And you know, I'm sure there's more. You guys have been stuck with DIY videos lately, so we thought we'd change things up a little bit. And always remember,
A happy life
starts in a happy place. We found ours, and we're motivating you to get the most out of your RV, whether it's like ours or something else. Get out there and use it. If you're not using it, it just don't matter. All right, do all the things. Hit that thumbs up if you found value in this video. Share it with a friend.
subscribe.
And we will see you in the next video.
See ya.
Do what all the cool guys do, and we're out.